Hi everyone, welcome to Home Food Maniacs and Regimania. In this video, we are going to discuss about the remaining concepts of the marketing. It is the continuation of previous video lecture. If you have not watched the previous video, just come to Home Food Maniacs and Edumaniac YouTube channel and please go through that video once. So now in this video we are going to discuss about advertisement and sales promotion, marketing strategies and its types, and product life cycle. So, what is advertisement? Advertising is a paid form of mass communication which can take a form of television, radio, magazines, newspapers, and internet placement. So, it is a paid form generally. Advertisement is generally made in order to bring the awareness about the particular product in the minds of the customers. Generally, a sponsor will pay for the advertisement. That is what makes advertising a paid form, and it is targeted to mass audiences. It is not a personal message to anyone, not a single person. It is targeted to mass audiences, and there should be proper channel through which the advertisement takes place. That may be through television, radio, magazines, newspapers, and internet placements. Now, its goal is not only to increase the sales in the short to mid term, but also strengthen the brand image of the company and its product. So, what is the aim of advertising? Aim of advertising is not only to increase the sales of that particular product, but also in order to strengthen that particular brand image in the minds of the customers and develop long term sales and consumer loyalty. When the consumer becomes loyal, it will be very difficult for the particular competitor in order to make him switch to his particular product. So advertisement not only targets improvement in the sales, but also it helps in building up the consumer loyalty and also long term sales relations. And promotion is a short term strategy. Advertisement intended to build long term sales relationships with the customers and also a customer loyalty, but whereas the sales promotion is a short term strategy, and the main objective of doing promotion is to build the sales in the short term, within the short term and immediate sales. If you want to like if you want to establish the immediate sales, then you will go for the promotion. Brand building also occurs as a result of promotions. So brand building also occurs in the case of advertisement. Also there will be strengthening of the brand image in the minds of the customers, as well as in the promotion also. So promotion includes a free samples, special events, offers, providing discounts, coupons, rebates. These all things comes under the promotion, sales promotion tools and techniques. With the help of these discounts, coupons, rebates, special events, contests, free samples, these organizations, with the help of these sales promotion tools and techniques, tries to build the sales within the short term and tries to build the immediate sales. Next, the primary objective of advertisement is to create the long term brand image, and the main objective of promotion is to get maximum sales quickly. So, it is already discussed. And the sales promotion is a direct approach to the customers to encourage them to buy your products or services, while advertisement is an indirect approach towards encouraging them to buy your products and services. Sales promotion is a short term thing, and whereas advertisement focuses on long term sales. Okay, and it is a direct approach. The sales promotion is a direct approach, whereas advertising is indirect approach, which is very important for your UGC NET examination. And coming to marketing strategy, what is marketing strategy and why we need marketing strategy, we'll discuss. Marketing strategy is used by different companies in order to collaborate with their customers. It is also employed to aware the customers about the features, specifications, and benefits of the company's product. So the main generally businesses will identify the customer requirements and tries to build a new product. So there should be some strategy so that the consumers get aware of the product's features, specifications, and benefits. So marketing strategy helps in bringing the awareness among the customers about the features, specifications, and the benefits of the company's product. So it's basically focused on encouraging the target population to buy the specific product. So with the help of the marketing strategy, what it aims is in order to encourage the target population to buy their products and services by creating awareness in the minds of the customers regarding the product's features, specifications, and its unique selling proposition, which helps the particular product different to that of competitive competitors products. What is its USP that is making it different from the other competitive products? All these things are communicated with the help of the marketing strategies. So marketing strategies are totally innovative and they are previously tried and tested strategies. So before picking up a marketing strategy, you have to go through the following points. That is, you have to decide the target population. You have to first define the target population. You have to select a population you are going to target, and you have to know the buying behavior of this target audiences. Then you have to test the particular audiences, and then you have to consider the marketing strategies, that is their knowledge, attitudes, and behavior. If once you come to know about that, you can select the appropriate marketing strategy. It will become very easy for you. And then you have to evaluate those strategies. That is, once you have considered the marketing strategies and found the applicable ones, you have to evaluate them, and you have to test the purposes, and most suitable and productive strategy must be applied. Next, what are the different types of marketing strategies? There are two types. There are B2B and B2C, business to business and business to consumer marketing strategy. Let us discuss about what is business to business marketing strategy and business to consumer. Business to business is, that is, if a, like business to business is a product is sold to a particular business by another business for the further processing, then it is nothing but business to business marketing. If the product is sold to a consumer for his personal use, then it is called as business to consumer marketing. The most common form of marketing is business to consumer marketing. So let us explore it some in detail. There are different types of marketing strategies involved in B2C. They are paid advertisement. With the help of advertisements, we can enable the consumer to buy our products. And cause marketing, it is like linking the services of the product of a company to a social cause. And relationship marketing, enhancing the existing relations with the customers and improving the customer loyalty. Word of mouth, like creating impression in the minds of the people with the word of mouth. That is, you give promotion with the help of your words from your mouth to other people. So being heard is important in the business world. So when you give the quality services to the consumers, then they will promote you. That is, if somebody liked your product, your consumer, then he will all means there is no need for you to come to everyone and advertise. He only promote you, your products, on behalf of you. That is what it is about word of mouth. And internet marketing, It is also known as cloud marketing, and it happens over the internet, and all the marketing items are shared on the internet and promoted. And transactional marketing, in the transactional marketing, the retailers encourage the customers to buy the shopping coupons, discounts, and huge events. It enhances the chance of sales. When once you are providing some coupons, discounts, and huge events, definitely there is a chance of enhancement of the sales, and it motivates the target audience to buy the promoted products. And diversity marketing, it caters to diverse audiences by customizing and integrating the different marketing strategy. It covers different aspects of cultures, beliefs, and views and specific needs. So it customization means you are catering to their personal needs. You are making a product, not standardized product, but you are customizing the product as per their needs, and you are targeting diverse and different audiences having different cultures, beliefs, and attitudes. So final word is marketing strategies have made the easier to promote the products and services, and they also limit the strategy to target audience, ensuring the proper business advancement of business. And so B2B marketing, I have already told. B2B marketing is, in short, business to business marketing. It refers to the companies or product or salespeople who sells their product to their other businesses. One business is selling to another business. So it is nothing but B2B. And next, product life cycle. In biology, you might have come across there is like life cycle of frog, life cycle of mosquito. In the same way, the products have their own life cycle. That is, it has four phases, that is introduction, growth, maturity, and decline phases. When the new product is developed, it undergoes in the following stages, that is introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. And product life cycle, it is defined as the cycle through which every product goes through from introduction to withdrawal or eventual demise. So every stage, the product goes through every stage: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. This is what explained in this slide. Let us discuss each in brief. In introduction stage, as the product is completely new, it has to bring awareness and develop the market. Developing the market for the product and bringing the awareness for the product is very important in this stage. So let us discuss the impact of the marketing mix in this stage. The product is like branding, and the quality level is established, and intellectual property protection such as patents and trademarks are obtained. So branding and improving the quality level is the main focus of the product in this stage. And there should be also intellectual property protection for this, so that your product will be free from copying. Your competitors may not copy your product. There will be less chance of copying of your product. And pricing is low penetration pricing. Initially the price is kept low in order to build a market share rapidly. That is, so in this stage the price is kept low, and distribution, it is selective distribution until the customer shows the acceptance of the product. And promotions is aimed at innovators and early adopters. Innovators and early adopters are the people who immediately purchase the product once they enter into the market. So the promotion mainly focus on targets on the innovators and early adopters. And marketing communication seeks to build the product awareness. So product creating the product awareness is the most main focus in this particular stage, and to educate the potential customers about the product. And growth stage, in this, the firm seeks to build the brand preference and increase the marketing share. So in the initial stage, introduction stage, it focused on creating the awareness of the product. Now in the growth stage, it wants to build its brand and increase the its market share, and product quality is maintained, and additional features and support services are added. Pricing is the it is maintained as the firm enjoys increasing demand with little competition. Distribution channels are added as the demand is increasing, so more and more distribution channels are added. And promotion, it is aimed at broader audiences in this stage. And next, maturity stage, there is a strong growth in sales diminishes. The competition may appear with the similar products, and the primary objectives at this point is to defend the market share and while maximizing the profit. So the main objective at this stage is defending its marketing share, as the more competitors are coming with the similar products, and even the sales are getting diminished. So it is very essential at this stage for the product to defend its market share and maximizing the profits. So product is features may be enhanced and differentiated from the of competitors, as more and more competitors are coming into the market with the similar products. And pricing may be lower because of the new competition, and distribution becoming intensive, and incentives offered to encourage the preference over competitive products. So the distribution channels, the wholesalers and retailers may be attracted towards the competitors, so incentives are offered to them, so that their preference will be with us over the competing products. And promotion is emphasizes on product differentiation. So there are competitors are coming with the similar products, so the promotion should be done in that way that there should be some differentiation between the product of you and your competitors, so that customers get attracted towards your product. In that way, we can defend our market share and enhance the profit. And in the decline stage, the it is the last stage, and the firm has several options, that is maintain the product, or possibly rejuvenating by adding new features and finding new users, or harvest the product, that is reduce the cost and continue to offer it possibly to the loyal niche segment, and discontinue the product, that is liquidating remaining inventory or selling it to another firm that is willing to continue the product. So this the firm has several options, like continuing the product like that by reducing the costs and only targeting on the loyal customers, or adding some new features, or discontinuing a product, or than selling it to the other firm. So this is all about today's class. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe to our channel Home Food Maniacs and Edumania. Stay tuned for more UGC Net videos, management paper. Thank you.